Od pristiglih pojačanja medveščaka u ovoj sezoni, najzanimljivija priča vezana je uz 20-godišnjeg kanadskog indijanca Waceya Rebita. Do svoje 12. godine živio je u rezervatu Blood, koji je smješten u državi Alberta. Igra na poziciji centra ili krila i već je osvojio simpatije svih suigrača.
Wacey, how do you feel in Zagreb and your first impressions of the city?
I like it so far. I think it's a good city. Really didn't know what to expect, but so far it's been great. People are really they're very approachable, and most of them can speak English, so that helps out a lot. And I'm doing my best to learn a little bit of Croatian.
Why did you choose Medveščak?
Well, I think I obviously wanted to come over here and go to a better league, and the Bank League is really good, and so is the DEL. And they called earlier in the summertime, so I think that was a perfect fit, and I'm glad I'm here so far.
What do you think about the team?
We're going through our growing pains right now, but I think once everything gets going, we're going to be a very good team. We've got a lot of offense, and we're a very defensively minded team too. So I think once everything starts clicking, we're going to be a team that's be very hard to play against.
A few words about the fans.
They're amazing. I think we're losing 5-0 to Salzburg with 10 minutes left, and they're still going crazy. And even on the road, they're the loudest people in the road barns. So it's pretty exciting, and hopefully we get to score some goals here on Friday to get them really going.
Who do you like to play with in attack?
Well, I like playing with John Filovic. He's a big player, moves ice well, and Kanasovic is good, and obviously Banham, he's one of premier scorers. Like even in North America, he can put the puck in the net.
Can you compare playing in North America to playing here?
It's a little different, obviously, with the bigger ice and different systems. In North America, everything happens so quick, and everybody's using their body here. It's more of a skating and a thinking game, and I like it so far, and still trying to get adjusted.
Why don't you like when they call you an Indian?
It's not that I don't like it. It's just back home we're called First Nations or Natives, and it's not a big deal. But it is what it is. So.
And who is your idol in the world of hockey?
Right now, I'm probably going to say, well, he retired, but Joe Sakic was a big guy, and Pavel Bure when he was playing, I really liked him.
I trener Setor zadovoljan je novim pojačanjem.
He's going to be a very good player for us. I mean, when a player first comes over, when he's played all his career in North America, there's a learning curve. And every practice, every game, Wacey's getting a little bit better. We're expecting big things from him. He's a good two-way player.
Rebit je borac i nikome ne priznaje da je bolji suparnik dok to ne dokaže na ledu. Zagrebačka publika voli takve igrače. Zvijezda je rođena.